Thomas and the Robot. It was a busy day on the Island of Sodor. A technology fair was taking place at the Ulfsted Castle. Inventors from all over the world were bringing marvelous machines to the fair. Thomas had lots to do. "All aboard! All aboard!" Thomas sang out. He took passengers up to Ulfsted Castle and pulled some very important inventions. "Rocket booster coming through! Rocket booster coming through!" puffed Thomas. He even guided a car plane to the fair. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. When the fair finally opened, there were inventions everywhere. A huge robot called Metal Man stomped past Thomas. Clink, clink, clink. "Welcome to the future," said Sir Topham Hatt. Thomas was excited, but he was worried. With all these new inventions, would he and his friends from the STEAM team be part of the future too? Thomas was determined to show Sir Topham Hatt how useful he could be, just as useful as any robot. All day long, he chuffed faster than he'd ever gone before. Puff, 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 panted poor Thomas. At the next station, the guard was waiting on the platform. "Watch out on the tracks today, Thomas. There's a silver machine on the rails. It's the fastest thing on Sodor." "It's probably another robot," Thomas sighed. When Thomas rolled in at Ulfsted Castle, the silver machine was by the platform. It wasn't a robot at all. It was a high-speed train from Japan, the fastest in the world. "I'm Kenji," said the train. "You must be Thomas." Thomas loved meeting new friends, but he still felt worried. With robots and faster trains, would Sir Topham Hatt want to replace him? "Thomas, look!" giggled Kenji. A flying car buzzed right over Thomas. Buzz, buzz. Thomas didn't notice two men climbing into Kenji's cab. Sir Topham Hatt started shouting. "Thieves!" he cried. "Those men have stolen the blueprints for the flying car." "Thomas, help!" Kenji shouted. But it was too late. The thieves shot off down the track in Kenji. Whoosh! Thomas knew he could never catch up with the fastest train in the world. But he had an idea, and he needed the help of the machines. Thomas coupled himself to the rocket booster, and whoosh! The rocket roared to life and pushed Thomas faster, faster, faster. "Must catch up, must catch up," Thomas puffed. Whir, whir, whir! Sparks fizzed from Thomas's wheels. Thomas uncoupled himself from the rocket truck and overtook Kenji. The signal person changed the points, and all at once Thomas was in front of Kenji. Screech! Kenji ground to a stop. Quick as a flash, the thieves escaped with the plans. "They've got away!" puffed Thomas. "Hang on! What's that noise?" Clink, clink, clink. It was Metal Man and Sir Topham Hatt. The giant robot was holding the thieves up in the air. "Thomas and the robot saved the day," said Kenji. "The machines are much stronger and faster than me," said Thomas. Maybe they are the future of Sodor. "Oh, no, I'd never replace my engines," said Sir Topham Hatt. "Steam engines are the greatest invention of all time." Thomas blushed from the boiler to buffer. He didn't need to worry about robots or faster trains. Sodor would always need the steam team. But Thomas had to admit robots could be very useful too. Beep, beep. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe. See you later, alligator.